aerial film footage of yesterday's storm. Here we have Hillary starting out in the Pacific, making its way up to Baja and then the US. So this is the riverbed. We've got some debris, a lot of water. This water's been running all night. So this is about I'd say about 8 o'clock in the morning. And as you can see where the edge of the river, you can see where the debris was hitting a little higher yesterday. So got some drone footage. Sometimes I like to take these videos with my drone just to test my drone skills. And yeah, that's a lot of water. That's the LA River right there.